What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Chad back with another video. You already saw the thumbnail. You read the title. This is about the Chevrolet 2023 C8 Z06. I love cars, man. You know, I'm a Shelby guy. I'm a Mustang guy through and through. But I like all types of cars. And this car that's coming out is going to be a game changer. So the configurator's out. If I had the funds, the means to purchase one, what would my C8 Z06 look like? So I'm going to share that with you. We're going to walk through that together. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. I don't per se talk about cars on every video, but I do talk about cars from time to time. So let's get into it, man. So the configurator is up and we're going to check it out, man. So if I was going to get a Chevrolet 2023 Z06 C8, this is what I would do. All right, it's loading back up. So let's customize this sucker. Let's go. All right, so body style right off the top. I'm going with the coupe. The reason why I would go with the coupe is because it has the engine appearance. You can see the engine, like you walk around it. With the convertible, the engine is hidden. So that's my main reason why I would want to get a coupe, because you can see that 5.5 liter naturally aspirated 670 horsepower monster sitting in the back. So definitely right off the rip, we're going coupe. All right. Body style, exterior color. I'm a huge fan of silver. My Shelby Mustang is silver. I'm a silver guy, so I'm going with the silver. Then, on top of that, I'm going to do that transparent roof. Definitely would go that route. Right? Next page. So that's all that's here. So, performance and wheels. Gotta go with the Z07 performance pack. I mean, this car is going to be exotic looking. It's got that high revving engine like a Ferrari 458. So this tells you what all is in the Z07 performance package. Confirm. Definitely going that route. You can already see this thing is, whew, God. Bro, stop. Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's a bad mama jamma. Let's keep going. All right. So we're going to definitely have to change those wheels for sure, right? Not going with those wheels. Definitely. Ceramic brakes. Definitely going carbon fiber wheels. Exposed, visible weave is the route. Got to go with those all day, every day. Yes, sir. Yep. And then we brake calipers. I'm going to go with the red brake calipers. Got to go with that. Let's see what we're looking like. Oh, yeah. Coming along beautiful, guys. All right, so we did performance and wheels, exterior. Let's go over here. Definitely got to go with the engine appearance package. For sure. Got to do that. That's one of the reasons I want to get a coupe. So you can look at that bad mama. Right? Look at there. Definitely going to go with that. And we're definitely going to go with the carbon fiber engine cover. For sure. Got to do that. Yes, sir. And then, you know, I want to go with the black exhaust tips. Got to put that in the game. That center exhaust looks fire, man. Look at this. Sheesh. Y'all can't tell me that ain't fire. And this is coming from a Mustang guy. I've been on Mustang since I was a little boy. I'm Illinois all day long, 24/7. But you got when you see an ace, you got to call it ace. This is a bad mother. Shut your mouth. This thing is fire, man. Look, I know my damn Shelby guy is gonna hate me for this, but I don't care. This thing is badass. Facts. Being a car guy, you gotta give GMC, you gotta give Corvette, Chevy credit for what they put together here in this. This thing is phenomenal. So let's go back to the exterior. Did I miss anything? I don't want to do any stripes. I won't do any stripes. Stripes are for Shelby's. I got black stripes on my Shelby. Let's see. All right, let's go back. Yeah, that's it out of this page, guys. Let's move on. Trim levels. Let's see what 2LZ maybe. No, I'm going 3LZ. I take that back. Yes. 3LZ. Let's go that route. And then interior colors. Adrenaline red drip. I'm going carbon fiber interior all day long. Let's see what that's looking like. Oh my God, look at that, man. Bruh. Jeez, that thing, it's carbon fiber everywhere. You got carbon fiber right here in the center dash console. Wow. Holy crap. Steering wheel is carbon fiber. You see that carbon fiber is going all the way up this panel. It's like a floating panel here. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber on the switches, the lock switch and the mirror switches. It's everywhere. Carbon fiber going up that panel. Yeah, we definitely have to do that for sure. No doubt. All right, let's see. Seats. I want to go two-tone. What we got here? Oh man, this is sexy. This is sexy. I don't care what nobody says, bro. Look at this thing, man. Y'all can't tell me this thing's sexy. You can't tell me this car is not fire. I don't care what brand you're loyal to. I don't care what nobody has to say. This car is gonna be a game changer because what it's doing is blending that reality from the super exotic cars that people couldn't attain, the $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 Ferrari, Lamborghinis, McLarens, $200,000 McLaren. This car at sticker, for what you get, you're getting a lot of value for the price if they would sell it at MSRP. But we all know, by the time you customize this thing and put all the specs in it like I'm doing right here, by the time the dealership gets the car and have these massive ADM markups on it, this thing gonna cost you north of $140,000, $150,000. So the everyday working man ain't gonna be able to get one of these. You got to have connections like Amelia Hartford, like some kind of big time YouTube influencer, some celebrities, athletes, movie stars, and people, regular folks. I mean, folks that's making real good money, business owners that's making real good money are going to be the ones that have access to this car. Regular ordinary Joes like me and you, it's going to be tough to get. It's going to be tough to get, no doubt. So let's keep going. Let's go. So we did body style, exterior color, performance wheel, exterior, seats, trim levels, interior color. Make sure we didn't miss nothing. Yep. That's right. That's what I want to go with there. Seats. We did all that. So it don't look like I missed nothing. It don't look like I missed nothing at all. So let's view the exterior. Let's recap. It's coming up. If I had the money and the means to get this monster, this is the spec that I would get. I get the Z07 package. Oh, wait a minute. Did I miss the wing? Hold on. Exterior. Okay. Carbon flash, carbon fiber. Okay. Carbon fiber wing. The black exhaust tips, right? the red brake calipers, exposed carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber wing. Okay. Appearance engine package with the carbon fiber cover. This is a bad Joker, boy. Yes, I'm loving this. Y'all can't tell me this car is not sexy. Look at that thing, man. Look at it. This is the new American supercar exotic. America has finally done it. Mid-engine, 670 horsepower, 5.5 liter, naturally aspirated engine. This is the last of the this is at the end. We at the end. This is it. Moving forward, the cars are going to be all electric, all hybrid. If you can get your hands on one of these, if you have the means to get one of these cars, I would highly recommend it. It's going to hold its value. I know people say that cars are a bad investment. If you can get yourself a Shelby GT500, right? 2020 to 2022 model. If you can get one of these cars, or if you can get a Shelby GT350 with the 5.2 flat plane crank Voodoo engine. If you can get one of those cars, these cars are going to hold value because these are the last ones. After this, everything's going to be electric. 2020, I say about 2025, 26, 27, all hybrid, all electric cars. These are the last the last V8 breathing monsters, all combustible engines. This is it. And this is going to be the last one. So, I don't know. You guys share your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the new Chevrolet 2023 Chevrolet Z06 C8. You looking to try to get one? Are you a Mustang guy? What's your car? What's your car? My dream car is Shelby GT500. Always been that way. But I got to call an ace when I see an ace. This thing is bad to go. But that's going to be it for this video. You guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.